In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update tax information on KDP, a straightforward tutorial for beginners. If you're using Kindle Direct Publishing to publish your books, ensuring your tax information is up to date is crucial for receiving payments correctly and avoiding any potential issues with tax authorities. So let's dive into the steps to make this process seamless. First, head over to your KDP account. You'll want to navigate to the Account section. Once you're there, look for the tab or menu option labeled Tax Information. This is where all your tax-related settings are managed. It's a good idea to make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple publishing accounts, to avoid any mix-ups. Once you're in the Tax Information section, you'll see a button or an option to Update Tax Interview. This is what you need to select to proceed. The tax interview is essentially a guided process that KDP uses to collect your tax information. It's quite user-friendly, but make sure to read each question carefully as you go through this section. This selection will walk you through your current details and allow you to make necessary updates. Now, you can either edit your existing tax details or completely replace them with new information. If there have been changes in your circumstances, like a change of address or a different tax residency, you'll need to update these details accordingly. For this, you'll need to have the correct forms or identification numbers handy. It's always a good idea to have your Social Security number or taxpayer identification number within reach, because KDP will require this information to verify your tax details. Lastly, don't forget to save your updates. This might seem obvious, but often in the rush of things, saving our progress can slip our minds. Look for a Save or Submit button, usually located at the bottom of the page. By clicking this, you'll ensure that all your changes are securely recorded in the system. After you've saved, it's good practice to double-check the information to confirm all edits have been applied properly. That wraps up our session on updating tax information on KDP. Remember, keeping your tax information updated is essential not only for compliance, but also for making sure there's no disruption in your payouts. Make a habit of reviewing your tax details annually or whenever there's a significant change in your personal or professional status. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a quick refresher on the steps. Happy publishing!